Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Hazel Akit. I'm 37 years old from Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur. I'm single mom and I have 4 kids. I am a high school graduate. I I am applying as a domestic helper in Hong Kong because I want to work abroad to support my family and especially my 4 kids. I will give them a better future. I have a 6 years experience in Singapore. My duties is cleaning the whole house, cooking a Chinese foods, take care 2 dogs, and also I can take care children. Play with them, help with them in school needs. I'm a hardworking, patient, and honest person. I can follow all the instruction all the time. Mom, sir, I will do my best and to serve your family better with a dedication and respect. Please hire me. Thank you, Mom and sir.